Hi, let's talk about the basic box structure for a web page. All of the elements in HTML create a box. So we start off with the HTML box, and that means that everything that's going to be contained within this box is going to be HTML. Now the first box that we put in the HTML box is the head box. The head box is pretty much information for the browsers to use. Some of that information is going to be the title. Now that title box is pretty important because that's what Google and other search engines use as the display text for the hypertext link on their search results. So you want to make sure you put something good in there. We also put in several meta tag boxes for the character set, the author, and a description, which provide more information about our web document. One of the important items that we put into this head box is the link box. The link box is links to our style sheet. And kind of what that does is that link tag actually goes out to the style.css file, or whatever name you've given it, and copies all of that style rules and places it inside that link box. Luckily, all we have to do is we just put that link box there, but that's kind of what happens under the scenes. And then we have a script box that we can put in the head box. And what the script here does is it just kind of has old browsers use HTML5. Now the other big box that we have in our HTML box is the body box. Now the body is where all of our code's going to go. That's kind of where we do most of our work because that's what's going to be visible on the web page. The first section that I have in my body is usually my header section, and don't confuse this with the head section, which we've just talked about. The header section is going to contain your company's logo and things like that. And what I'm going to do here is I'll just put a heading 1 tag in there with my company name, but you can also add heading 2 tags for a tagline, image tags, and anything else that you need in that particular section. Now, usually following after that we have the nav section. Well, that's where we're going to kind of group together all of our main navigation elements. And generally I put all of my main navigation elements inside of an ordered list box. Okay? So the ordered list box itself doesn't have anything. We have to make sure that we throw in the individual list items in it. And the list item, each list item would be for our menu items. And then inside of that list box, what I'm going to do is place an anchor tag. Now that anchor tag is an interesting box because it is the first inline box that I've talked about in this little presentation. All the other boxes are block level elements. Block level elements generally go all the way across the screen. The inline element box only just kind of fits around the text that is contained with it. Okay? Notice how each of these boxes is nested inside of its parent box, which is kind of important. All right? Hopefully that makes some sense to you.